So I'm Brad Bailey, I'm chairman of the Visit The Woodlands. I just want to talk to you about our legislative affairs day that we're doing with the Texas Travel Alliance. We're here at the Capitol with travel industry across the state, advocating for great travel in our state and the important role that it plays. So let's talk about travel in the Woodlands. What does it do for our local economy? Last year, almost 60% of our total revenue was from sales taxes and hotel occupancy taxes. That helps keep property taxes way, way down for our residents. And it also generates so much for our economy. You can see that in the town center district. A lot of our travel that we have and a lot of the industries that we bring in town are huge generators to our economy that helps all of our residents and our community in the whole.
As a resident of the Woodlands now for almost 6 years, I have seen the tourism products in the Woodlands grow exponentially. We have seen so much development around the community with things like Texas Tree Ventures, the Woodlands Waterway Arts Festival, Market Street and the Woodlands Mall, bringing visitors from all around the area and the world to the Woodlands.
I attend Unity Conference and Converge on the Capitol to support the industry. We're a business based in the Woodlands area. We are heavily travel and tourism related, and so it's important that our legislators hear what is most important for this industry to survive and grow, and at the same time compete with destinations not just in Texas, but destinations in Louisiana, New York, Canada, and around the globe.
The Texas Travel Alliance is an advocate for the industry, for our destinations, our attractions, everyone in the industry all year. Not only during the legislative session, but also in the interim. We are working across the state to make sure that the message of how essential travel is to the entire Texas economy is getting out to not only our local leaders, but also our state and our federal leaders.
We encourage you to check out our website, visitthewoodlands.com. Please follow us on all of our social media channels, and I look forward to seeing you in our community soon.